In this animation, we will show a Brostrom repair with internal brace ligament augmentation. Ankle sprains are very common injuries, and some require surgical repair. The Brostrom repair is the most common technique used to repair the torn ankle ligament. Your surgeon makes an incision on the outside of the ankle over the torn ligament. Using special instruments, a suture anchor is placed into the bone. Next, a second suture anchor is placed. Then an anchor with high-strength suture is placed into the bone below the torn ligament. This high-strength suture will be used as the internal brace ligament augmentation. Next, the sutures are placed through the torn ligament and tied to repair the tear. Then an additional hole is created in the bone, and an anchor loaded with the high-strength suture is inserted. Lastly, your surgeon tensions the high-strength suture and secures the anchor in place. This completes the Brostrom repair with internal brace ligament augmentation.